Hi, my name is Mindaugas, and together with my wife Dovilė, we created Amuleto. It is a piece of fine jewelry that we believe could be saving lives.
It is possible to do with technology a lot these days. With the help of a professional and devoted team of hardware and software developers, we managed to make a very small Bluetooth low energy device that is always connected to your cell phone and sends out help alert messages just with the click of a button.
Despite being sometimes scared to walk home down the dark street, I don't think I would wear any plastic or rubber device on my hand, neck, or anywhere else I could quickly reach. It should definitely be something nice.
Exactly for this reason, we fitted the chip into specially designed pure silver jewelry. Something every woman could wear with a great pleasure without even thinking of it as of some kind of device, unless the situation requires to use it. For it to perfectly fit onto a hand, we handcrafted a strap made of premium quality leather, so that it would look stylish and be durable. All you have to do for the first time using Amuleto is to download and install our app, and just select a list of friends and relatives who, in case of danger, you want to send help alert messages to, and inform of your location. To ensure safety at all times, Amuleto bracelet has a working range of 70 meters. The battery only needs to be charged once a month, using any micro USB charger. It automatically sends alert messages when the device and the phone become separate or the battery of either one drops to critical level.
We have been working really hard for almost 2 years to make this idea of combining style and safety a reality. Our prototypes are working perfectly well, and we only need your help for gathering critical mass to bring the cost of production down. Please back our project by pre-ordering Amuleto for yourself or for your loved ones, so they will always feel you close. Thank you.
Something simple. Something beautiful. Something light. Something to challenge you to hold higher standards every day. Don't settle. Go. Rise. Create new paths every day. Whatever you want to do it now. Live life to the limit. There are only so many.
Hello guys, we are IntoRobot. We are glad to propose our IoT development kit, including IntoRobot Fig, Ant and Fox. The kit is compatible with many communication technologies and can be used to implement lots of cool and useful projects. No, we are not talking about the stories of Fig, Fox and Ant. In our daily life, some troubles happened. For example, we may fail to timely water in the garden and the flowers wither. We may have no time to accompany our pet and it felt depressed and sad, or even counts in our funds often disappear. God, life is so hard, so full of troubles. No, the IoT world should not be like that. Fig, Fox and Ant, each is with the size of your finger, can solve all your troubles. It's amazing. IntoRobot is the most effortless one-stop solution for IoT development. The IntoRobot Fig is a high-performance board integrated with a powerful MCU as well as both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules. It's also applicable to the high-end IoT applications. Smart garden and automatic feeding for pets. So you can even DIY a remote pet toy. What's more, wearable medical devices, smart appliances, anti-loss devices, remote hi-fi system, wireless industry, automation, Wi-Fi toys, and so much more. IntoRobot Arm is a rollout module that can work in a long distance with low powerful consumption. The maximum communication distance can reach 10 kilometers. IntoRobot Arm is capable to support massive smart applications in industry, agriculture, smart city, and so on. For extreme situations where you don't want to sit in, ARM is a perfect option for you. IntoRobot Fox is designed with a GPS module. It directly connects internet without routers. These smart Fox help you to remote control your devices from anywhere and at any time. Fox is applicable to automotive electronics, cargo ship monitoring, logistics, and so on. You can even DIY a phone by using Fox. So interesting and useful. It must be very difficult. No. Fig, Ant, and Fox are really handy to use. A unified platform and development flow for all three boards. No need of local development environment. Website browser is enough. Convenient and simple. IntoRobot platform support effortless extension for development. It's compatible with Arduino programming. You can easily start plenty of IoT applications with wireless connection such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, LoRa, Zigbee, NB-IoT, and RFID. We are also providing detailed documentation, customized UI, SDK, and open source online libraries, enhanced by tons of examples and courses. The development cycle can be greatly reduced. Tiny things, powerful energy, pay only a few dollars and obtain amazing awards, completely beyond your imagination and pay.
IntoRobot has spent plenty of efforts and time aiming to subvert the current technology and create a really simple IoT toolkit. Anyone, anywhere. Support us not only because we need you also may need IntoRobot. With IntoRobot, IoT toolkit, everything becomes simpler and troubles are solvable with fun.
This is the Sobro coffee table. The Sobro is a future of furniture, designed for your connected lifestyle. With a refrigerator drawer, Bluetooth speakers and charging ports, the Sobro keeps you powered up and in the moment. Technology has changed over the past 20 years. These days, we're looking for quick solutions to solve our problems and ways to simplify our lives. This got us thinking, while everything around us has advanced, why hasn't furniture? This is why we designed the Sobro coffee table, furniture reinvented for your modern lifestyle. Sobro uses Bluetooth pairing with its built-in speakers to provide excellent sound quality that's cord-free. You can also set the mood with the ambient LED lighting. Designed with a large refrigerator drawer, the coffee table keeps beverages and food chilled and always within reach. Charge your phone and laptop with the outlets on the side of the table. When you're done, roll up your cords and stash them in the drawers. We're excited to bring Sobro to Indiegogo. We've created a prototype and have our manufacturing partners in place. All we need is your help to start production and begin shipping the Sobro coffee table to your living room. We believe that Sobro is a future of furniture because it makes living a connected life more convenient. Please back us today and help make the Sobro coffee table a reality.
Pop is an auxiliary phone battery like no other because unlike a power bank, it attaches to your phone snugly and seamlessly to make continued use easy. Thanks to its high-tech bioadhesive backing, Pop will become a part of your phone and give you that extra boost you need for as long as you want. It won't detach through normal daily use unless you want to remove it. And if your second battery runs low, you can slip it out and put in a new one. When you charge your Pop back up, it will recharge your phone as well. Pop, all the extra battery life you could want for Android and iPhone.